broadcast is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning at the meeting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of the Brashaw Blue Ridge transmitters. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Brashaw transmitter: Fannin, Lumpkin, Towns, Union, and White in Georgia, and Clay County, North Carolina. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Blue Ridge transmitter: Fannin and Gilmer in Georgia, and Cherokee County in North Carolina, and Polk County in Tennessee. This concludes the weekly test of warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Northeast Georgia mountains. Rest of today, sunny. Highs in the lower 30s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles